Getting your taxes set up correctly in Zoho Books is one of the most important steps to keeping your business compliant and running smoothly. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. Once you're logged into Zoho Books, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Taxes and Compliance. Click on it and you'll be taken to the page where all your tax management happens. Here, you'll see a subsection simply labeled Taxes. This is where you'll create and manage your tax rates. To add a new one, click on New Tax. Now, fill in the details. Give your tax a name, enter the correct rate, and add any other information that applies to your business. Make sure this information is accurate and reflects the tax rules for your region, since this will directly affect your invoices and bills. After saving, head back to your dashboard to confirm everything looks good. From there, check the sales section to see how your new tax is applied to invoices and other sales documents. You can also click on Purchases to confirm it's showing up correctly on your expenses. For extra accuracy, take a moment to review the Vendors section. If you need to add a new vendor, click the New button and enter their details while ensuring the proper tax settings are applied. This keeps your records consistent across the board. And that's all it takes. You've successfully set up taxes in Zoho Books. With this done, you can be confident your business stays compliant while your transactions are tracked accurately. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical Zoho Books tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.